In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create a crown using UV sphere, shrinkwrap modifier and proportional editing. Create a UV sphere and scale it like this. Select these faces, Shift-D to duplicate and P to separate by selection. Add a shrinkwrap modifier and bring it down like this. We don't need the sphere anymore. Select these vertices and use the proportional editing to bring them up. Add a solidify modifier. Add some loop cuts with Ctrl-R to make the edges sharper. Select individual origin. Add a shiny gold material like this. Add an icosphere and scale it. Add a curve circle. If you don't have the curve circle, please activate Add Curve, Extra Objects add-on and try again. Add a red metallic material for the sphere. Add an array and curve modifiers. Please match my settings. Add a torus and modify the settings like this. Add a metallic orange material. Scale it on the Z-axis. Duplicate it, bring it up and scale it. I'll post a link to a tutorial that shows how to copy my startup file settings for Open Image Denoise, Look Dev HDRI, Filmic, Curves, Transparent Background and so on. Please watch that tutorial to match my final render settings. Just one thing. If you're rendering your scenes by using Eevee, you'll see a blank screen like this because Eevee doesn't have the denoising data setting under View Layer Properties. You need to uncheck Use Nodes like this. Or you can connect the image nodes like this. I would highly recommend everyone to use the Cycles renderer. This is the end of the crown tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.